What's up, Discord? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another trade recap. So, pretty chill day today, guys. Honestly, I wasn't expecting us to get a trade based off how the price action looked. Now, coming into this morning, we had very clear opportunities that we were looking for. Now, unfortunately, the market did not give us the opportunities we were looking for. But essentially, we're looking for a manipulation down here of Asia lows. One of these lows took in, and then we're going to look for buys towards the upside just because of what we were seeing on the daily time frame and the higher time frames of how the market was giving us this right here. This is on the daily time frame. So we see the market is trading within this bearish gap, and we reject it from this bearish gap, and we see that the daily candles continue lower, and we sweep these two lows right here. Now, after sweeping these two lows, we get this impulsive bullish daily candle, right? Basically, one candle cleared up two days of price action almost from one candle. So that really showed that bullish momentum was still in this market and that potentially we still want to continue going higher. Now, with that being said, we're looking for this manipulation. So here's what actually happened during the session. We never got the manipulation that we were looking for, but we got the move that we were looking for. We got entirely just this whole push towards the upside. Barely any retracements. The only trade that I see here that you could take is an entry off of that. As far as for longs, take an entry off of that here after we mitigate into this 5 minute, and then the market continues taking off. I think we do that multiple times right here as well. We get another mitigation into the 5 minute here, right there, and the market takes off again towards the upside. So you guys can see the market has been respecting these bullish gaps and continuing higher, and we never got that initial manipulation that we were looking for. This was the trade that would have been the best trade of the day. Right here, we get this, and then we get this whole move towards the upside. But market didn't want to do it, right? Now we're pushing. Now the trade that I took this morning was actually a short, and this short came out of right here. It came out of this area right here when the market started to slow down. So notice, so after this last mitigation of this 5 minute, we noticed the market started to slow down right here as we were approaching this intermediate high. And also, while we were in that intermediate high, we had ES that was trading inside of a 4-hour gap at this moment right here. We're trading inside this 4-hour gap. So, and it was a bearish gap too. So I looked for order flow to shift, and we had an inversion here. Let's look at it right here on the 5 minute time frame. Right there, we had that nice displacement candle here. And honestly, I thought this was going to be enough to get us at least into this low, since this was the last area we seen mitigation, most likely a sweep. We also had a 15 minute down here as well. We had this 15 minute gap, and then we had this 15 minute gap. Honestly, I wasn't expecting the market to just go lower from here. I was looking for that retracement just back down into this gap or back down into this imbalance here before we get that next push. So that would be efficient pricing, nice order flow going towards the upside. That's essentially what I was looking for and why I even wanted to take shorts. Right now, here's the entry that we took. We took this entry here off of the 5 minute. Stop loss was above this high right here, and we took partials at our 1-to-1 right here. So we took partials here near this low, and essentially our main target was a 1-to-2 near the other imbalance that we've seen lower. But after we took our partials here, after we took our partials around the 1-to-1 right here, we had this doji there. We got break even on this. Well, not break even, but we did protect our entries on this trade. So once we took our partials, we protect our entries. And after that, the market just took us out. And since then, it's been flying higher towards the upside. I believe this is based just off of momentum. Since we didn't tap into anything. We didn't tap into this 15 minute here. We don't have any 5 minute gaps that we're tapping to. Maybe something larger, not even the 30 minute. Not even the hourly. So I think this is just all based off just the bullish momentum we've already got in the earlier time of the session, honestly. So I was really surprised we turned from right here and not like anywhere in here. But essentially we took a partial today, and that was the only trade that I took today. The market really didn't give me anything as far as going towards the upside or anything like that. Price action was okay. Let me know down below if you guys caught, this long. Whoever caught this right here, send me the course, okay? Whoever caught this by this entire thing, just go ahead and send me the course, and just hit me up on Discord. All right. But if you did catch anything else, let me know. Text me on Instagram or Discord, whichever one's easier for you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see, what type of informational videos you guys want to see, and those are some things that I'm working on. So let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.